Welcome to IGCSE Computer Science tutorials. In this video we will talk about Mod 11 check digit algorithm. This is a required step to do in pre-release material for May-June 2020. So this is about a car parking system. A user can enter a frequent parking number which for discounted parking, and the number should be of total 5 digits. 4 of them will be original digits and the last one, the fifth number, will be a check digit. So we have to calculate the check digit using mod 11 check digit calculation and verify that if the user has given correct number. Let's suppose the customer has entered 01236 as frequent parking number. So 6 is the check digit and 0, 1, 2, 3 are other 4 digits which are used to calculate 6. In this task we are not going to calculate check digit, we are going to verify if the given check digit is correct or not. For that we will calculate weighted sum of the frequent parking number. How are we going to do that? We are going to apply some weight to every number, then add them together. So we will start from the 6. The first number will be given weight of the 1, the second number will be given weight of 2, third number will be given weight of 3, and fourth number will be given weight of 4, and fifth number will be given weight of 5. You see, weights are going to 5 and the original number is also of length 5. Now we are going to multiply all the numbers with their weights and then find their total. So 5 multiplied by 0 is 0, and 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, again 6, and again 6. The answer is 22. Next step is, as we are taking mod 11 check digit, we are calculating mod 11, so we will take the mod of the answer with 11. And as you can see, 22 is totally divisible by 11, so the mod is 0. It means number 6 provided as check digit is correct. Let's convert this algorithm into pseudocode. For pseudocode we have some variables. We have frequent parking number which will we take as input. We have a variable sum, as we have to calculate the weighted sum of all the numbers, and we have weights. Weights are changing every time. We are using for loop here, as we know that the car parking number will be 5 digits long, so we have to do all the calculations 5 times. So we are using for loop here, and we are using weight as a counter variable in the for loop. Weight will be started from 1 to 5, and we have another variable digit. Digit will be calculated by taking the mod of frequent parking number with 10. So whenever you take mod of a number with 10, the answer is always the last digit, and we also need the last digit. In the example we saw that we were starting from the last digit and multiply that with 1. So weight is 1, last digit was 6 in the example. Next we will calculate the sum. So I have used here sum in the right side as well, because every time when you calculate a new sum you have to add that into old sum. So previously my sum is 0. I will calculate the digit weight multiplication result and add that to the old sum, and this is how I will calculate sum every time. Next I will remove the last digit from my FPN so that I do not calculate it again. I don't want to calculate it again, so I will remove the last digit by dividing the FPN with 10. So if you have 13 and you take mod of 13 with 10, the answer will be 3, the last digit. But if you divide 13 by 10, the answer will be 10 point something. So here it will ignore the points part, it will ignore the remainder and just take the quotient part. So that's how we are going to now trim our FPN for the next. We don't have to increase the weight ourselves to 2 because for loop will do that for us. So advantage is we have less number of lines as well. So we will put next here. It will repeat the process 5 times and then calculate the overall sum. We will again take the mod of sum with 11. If the result is 0, then the discount will be given. If the result is not 0, the discount will not be given. I will discuss this problem in the next video.